This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. The U.S. Senate will try to salvage a $700 billion financial rescue package after the measure was defeated in the House yesterday. The lawmakers won't have a lot of room to negotiate either. Senate won't hold any roll call votes today because several lawmakers are celebrating Rosh Hashanah, which is the Jewish New Year. Senators say they have no choice but to revive the measure, which is designed to restore confidence in the nation's banking system. President Bush, meantime, said the economic damage to the nation will be painful and lasting if Congress fails to pass the bailout bill. Economic news today. The S&P Case-Shiller 20-City Housing Index fell a record 16.3% in July from the year-ago period. That's the largest drop since its inception in the year 2000. New applications for mortgage insurance dropped to the lowest level in over a year, while new mortgage defaults and cures of existing defaults also increased during the month. The Chicago PMI moved a bit lower to 56.7 in September from 57.9 in August, but stayed well above the 53 mark expected by analysts. Conference Board reporting U.S. consumer confidence rose in September. That's the third consecutive month of gains. Democratic presidential candidate Barack Obama and GOP candidate John McCain proposed raising the limit on federal deposit insurance to $250,000 from $100,000. Now, the FDIC is also requesting the increase. Scheduled economic reports on Wednesday include the ADP employment report, ISM manufacturing, and construction spending. In earnings news today, Pepsi Bottling reporting its fiscal third-quarter profit declined to $231 million, or $1.09 a share. Analysts expected a profit of $1.04. And Thor Industries said earnings for the quarter fell to $5 million, or 9 cents a share. Analysts expected fourth-quarter earnings of 30 cents a share. Earnings tomorrow, Actuit, Micron Technology, Immucor, and Wolverine Worldwide. Third-quarter earnings season begins next week on October 7th when Alcoa releases its quarterly numbers. Some of the stocks in the news today. Pfizer reporting advancing 31 drug programs in its pipeline to the next stage of development, while 13 other programs were discontinued. W&T Offshore said hurricanes Gustav and Ike resulted in the sinking of 2 operated and 9 non-operated platforms in the Gulf of Mexico. And Conexit Systems raised its fourth-quarter earnings guidance, citing lower expenses and better-than-expected margins. And that's the James Dix Market Wrap on a Tuesday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.